This is the Smarta Slider Mini 2. Most electric camera sliders are not cheap, and this one's no exception, coming in at $3.99. This is by far the smallest camera slider that I've unboxed on this channel. It can fit easily into my backpack or camera bag. I could even carry this around in my back pocket if I wanted to. I can definitely see this becoming my new go-to camera slider, especially when I'm traveling, just because it's so compact. It definitely feels like a very high quality piece of machinery. Almost all of these exterior pieces here look like they're made out of metal, and it's designed to carry some pretty heavy payloads as well. Their website says it can handle a 33-pound payload when moving horizontally. Now that's definitely something I need to try out and see for myself. That's impressive. However, the weight limit does drop all the way down to only 2.7 pounds when moving vertically, but that's still enough to carry my DSLR. Even more impressive than the weight capacity is the battery life, which can last up to 52 hours. When it comes to controls, there's a button on the end that you can press to make it go one direction, and then just press the button again to make it return. And then if you want more precision controls, there's a really cool app you can use on your phone. And this app is actually the most powerful and most user-friendly slider controller app I've ever used. So for starters, there's a bunch of preset slider moves you can choose from, and then you can also program your own slider moves as well. And it's actually really intuitive and self-explanatory. So in time-lapse mode, you can set it to run anywhere between 1 minute and 99 hours. This is actually the only camera slider that I've reviewed that had a stop motion setting built into the app. So you can set how many frames you want it to take to move from one side to the other, and then each time you press the button on your phone, it's gonna move one little segment. If you set the slider to loop mode, it'll just keep going back and forth. When it reaches one end, it'll switch directions and go back the other way, and just continually do that. And then last of all, there's curve mode. This one's really cool. You can actually move these lines around on the screen. So say we move the middle up, and then this other side back down. And so the slider is gonna start out really slow. As it reaches the middle, it's gonna speed up, and then as it nears the other end, it's gonna slow back down. One thing that I do really like is this sort of unibody design that they've created here, where everything's just all self-contained in the slider. I've had other sliders where it was like, you have the slide rails, and then the motor snaps on the end, and then the battery snaps on that, and then there's a tripod that, you know, arms reach out the side, and all this stuff that's kind of connected together. And it gets sort of annoying. And I really like how this is just all self-contained. The battery's in there, and you just plug it in with a USB port to charge it. It does have 1/4 threads here on the back if you did want to hook it on top of a tripod, but if not, it also has little rubber feet, so you can just set it down on any flat surface. So yeah, I just love how sleek and self-contained this is. If you guys are looking for a travel-sized motorized camera slider, I can definitely recommend this. It's high quality. If you want one, links for it in the description below. Go check out some more of my videos right here, and I'll see you guys all next time.